You playing? Don't go too far, Ziggy. Come on. Come on, Zig. You're going to get buried out there. Come on. What are you doing, sweetheart? Where you going, babe? You playing in the snow too with Dixie? Look at Dixie playing. Come here, Dix. Did you make it back, Ziggy? Hi. Oh, that's pretty fun, huh? Let me see your face. Go in, Dix. Oh, Mabel, you're going to get buried, honey. Where are you guys going? There they go. Dixie! Where'd Mabel go? Mabes! Hi, Mabel. What are you doing? Where are you going? You going back in the house? Okay, let's go get these two.